So in order to make these cards as a reusable one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all these things, cut it out. Then I'm just going to say card card info. Let me create a new card component, card info.tsx. Mark this as the client, use client, then RAFC. Let's change this as the card info. All right, then let me bring it over here and let me get back and upload these two informations over there. Okay, now that should be fine. Let's save this. Okay, and now for the card info, what are the things that we need to create as the interface? Let's create the interface card info props, open it. We need the title, which is needs to be a string. Then we need, oops, I think I deleted the $sign. Okay, now then what we need the icon which is going to be the lucid icon. Then I need to display the contents, which is going to be the string. Then I need to keep the description, and that is also needs to be string. And this description is going to be an optional one. So here all I have to do is to display the I need to display the title. So I need to destructure those things over here, card info props. I have to extract the title. Then I need to extract the icon, content, then description. If I don't have the description, default values needs to be an empty one. Title, I think this is not necessary. And instead of this $sign, I'm going to bring the icon. And instead of this, I'm going to bring the content. And this needs to be displayed only if that is description. Then I need to display this. Description. So for this, I need to supply the title, which is going to be this total revenue. Then icon, which is going to be $sign. Then content, which is going to be this one. Then description, which is going to be this one. Save it and save it over here as well as. So now even if you're refreshing it, you should get the same data every time. And this card info now, it's reusable. Just copy and paste it 4 different times. You should get the 4 different card sections over there, and we can just customize those informations. For instance, let's say instead of this total revenue, keep this as the subscription, and here we can keep this users icon, and instead of this we can say +2350 something, some random number, and we can give some random informations from the last month like this. Okay, then we can keep this as the sales, and here I can simply keep it as the card icon. Bill board. Okay, I can't remember every icon name. Lucid, let's keep it as the bill. BOARD, board. Okay, we can use any board icons from here, or we can simply say pad, this one, touchpad. Okay, that is card. Okay, this one, credit card. Yes, that should be more appropriate. Credit card icon. Okay, and this values, it's going to be plus 12,000 something from random numbers, and the sales, which is going to be the 19 percentage from the last month. And active now, how many users are active now. For this, I'm just going to say line chart from the Lucid React, and this is going to be plus 573 users, and this is going to be plus 201 since last hour. So that should be more appropriate terms. So that looks really looking good. Okay, line chart is looking awkward. Line. Okay, line chart. This is how the line chart looks. Let's bring the chart. We just need this wave alone. Wave. Okay, this is what we need. Activity. Instead of line chart, let's choose the activity. Activity Lucid icon. I don't need this line chart icon. So that's looks more looking good. And if I change the view to dark mode to light mode, this is how it looks in the light mode, right? And if I get back to the dark mode, this is how it looks in the dark mode, right? And we successfully created ourselves a reusable CardInfo sections. Next, all I have to do is to bring those some charts and information about the recent sales, and that's what we are going to do next.